Have you ever wondered what the future of AI holds? What incredible breakthroughs are on the horizon? Well, today we're going to be exploring one of the most exciting developments in the world of AI yet, GPT-4. This new AI model has the potential to revolutionize the way we communicate and interact with machines. So, let's dive into what makes GPT-4 so special, and what we can expect from this innovative new model. One of the most significant upgrades in GPT-4 is its processing power. GPT-4 is expected to have around 10 trillion parameters, which is double the size of GPT-3. This means that it can process much more data than its predecessor, resulting in even more natural-sounding and coherent text outputs. Another exciting improvement is that GPT-4 can accept much longer input texts than GPT-3. This means that GPT-4 can process longer texts and thus produce more detailed and accurate outputs. But that's not all. GPT-4 is also expected to learn from multiple sources, including text, images, and audio. This means that it's not just limited to generating text, it can also produce visual and auditory responses. It's like having a multi-talented AI assistant that can do everything. One of the most exciting things about GPT-4 is its potential to help us in our daily lives. For example, imagine having an AI assistant that can help you with your writing tasks, summarize long articles, or even assist with research projects. With its natural-sounding and coherent text outputs, GPT-4 could revolutionize the way we work and communicate. Let's talk about some of the potential use cases for GPT-4. One application could be in the field of customer service. With its ability to understand and generate natural-sounding text, GPT-4 could be used to create chatbots that are almost indistinguishable from real humans. This could revolutionize the way we interact with companies and lead to more efficient and satisfying customer experiences. Another potential use case is in the field of language translation. With its multimodal learning capabilities, GPT-4 could be used to create more accurate and natural-sounding translations. This could break down language barriers and allow people from all over the world to communicate more easily. Of course, there are potential concerns with the release of GPT-4, such as the risk of it being used to spread misinformation or generate fake news. However, if we're responsible and mindful of its use, there's no doubt that GPT-4 has the potential to revolutionize the way we communicate and interact with machines. Before we wrap up, I just want to take a moment to say thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and want to see more exciting content like this in the future, please consider subscribing to our channel. If you haven't already, please share this video with your friends and family who might be interested in AI and GPT-4. So please hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video.